So what are you working on here?
These are the zinc tabletops that we send out to one of our customers, and they've already been welded and prepped on the sides. So I'm going through and cleaning them up to get any of the extra tape marks off, anything that just doesn't look clean. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to stain all of the corners so that it looks nice, and then clear coat it. I'll show you a finished one. Look how pretty those edges are once they're all finished. And then we put spines in them, which just happen to be right here. Box them up, ship them out, and then they're ready to be paired with a pedestal.